Welcome everybody, it is Bobby 2 Pops and Breaks on Sunday. Saturday. It is August the 31st. We are breaking Gold Rush autograph 16 by 20 MLB photos. It's a 2-box break from a case we just started tonight. We randomed up our 6 remaining numbers, got 9 and 10 for this break. We did pick a name, get 2 names via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names. We awarded the judge and Jeter spots. Gave them some time to trade. Nothing going down though, so here we go. Well, bam, man, pulling the shit out of him. Man, we gotta get past the point of pulling him. He can't be in every damn case, can he really? Gonna be a Vlad Guerrero, and I do believe that was Ragtag who scooped him up. A JSA sticker and card. It's a great photo, man. It's just, holy cow, are we pulling the shit out of Vlad here? Yep, right tag, got Vlad there. All right, see if we can get us another nice hit for you here. Bam. I'm not sure who that is, guys. Finally, somebody new though. Fanatics hologram. Whoa, gonna be a Bryce Harper, guys. Nice hit there for us, a new name. Fanatics hologram. Very nice hit. I thought that was Pat, wasn't it? Yeah, thank God you picked him up at the end there again, Pat. That would have been 2 you would let go tonight. Well, made up a little ground on that break, guys. Whoop, gonna write Bryce on that. It's going to Pat. Alright, y'all, that's gonna ramp up that 2-boxer. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook and Twitch. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby 2 Pops Breaks. Call out your keeps, everybody. Y'all have a good one.